Right, in this video we will see the overview of the FMC now. So we will log in into the FMC and we will see what are the options we have now. So our username will be the admin, and the password, in the previous video I have created a password, so I will enter that password, not the admin1231. So I'm entering a new password over here, and you have been directly logged into the device section, and it will ask you for this smart license. Now, very important, if you are installing in your FMC in your company or enterprise, you will get a token. That means you will go to your Cisco account, you will create a token for your FMC and you will paste it over here. Once the token has been pasted, it will access the internet and it will go to your account and register itself over there. So once it has been registered to your account over there, and then you can assign the licenses which you have or purchased over there. It will automatically consume from there, from your account. Since we do not have any account or something, so what I will go ahead and I will enable the 90-day evaluation. Click on save. And now I will go to my overview now. I will click on overview and I will go to my dashboard. And now you see that it is showing me my dashboard. So this is by default the dashboard has been created for you. If you like, you can create a new one. You can see that select the network threads and all those things, and you can switch the dashboard if you have multiple dashboard, or if you want to check the status of last 1 hour, 6 hours or 1 year. This is the time frame. So once we generate some traffic, you will see the traffic has been generated, and according to that headings, everything will be inside that one. So once the traffic is being generated while we are doing the labs, it will automatically generate the data in this particular boxes over here. Right, so if you want to add some widgets, you can go ahead and you can click on add widgets here. Alright, it is showing you what you want to add, so you can customize your dashboard as you like. So you have more options over there. So we are not going to look into that one, so it's up to you. Just go ahead and check it on that one. So in the overview we have the management, reporting, intrusions, event static. These are all the things. While we are doing the intrusion policies, we are going to see these things. Analysis, these are the different options in the analysis. While doing the policies, while doing the labs, we will see how we can make use of this analysis. And these are the policies, different policies which we are going to see. So we'll be creating each and every policies except the correlation one. Going to the device, you see that there is a device management, netting, quality of service, platform settings, flex config, certificates, and the VPN specially site-to-site remote access and troubleshooting. Objects, we will see that what you mean by these objects and intrusion rules. So if you have the AMP subscription, then you can go ahead and you can connect your AMP over here. Intelligence, if you want to add some topics to your dashboard, you can add it from here, or you want to just go ahead and check it particular incidents, go to this one. This is with respect to the security intelligence. And deploy is that whatever the configuration you have done, you will just go to the deployment and it will show you that how many FTDs have been registered, what changes have you made, and you can deploy it from here. So whatever the configuration you make, you will deploy from here to your FTD. So this is the notification where it will show you the task and health and everything. And for now, if you see that in the task, some task is running background. So if I click on this one, this is the system settings. Here I can do the configuration. That means this is with respect to the FMC users. This is with respect to the local users. And domains, here you can add your Active Directory. Integration, you can integrate with the ICE or StealthWatch. So that is one. And this one is the updates. If you have any updates and if you want to update, you can go ahead and do it over here. Coming to the license, you have this smart license as well as the classic. So if in case if you have the classic license which is still valid, so you can use the classic license, or if you have the smart license, you can use the smart license. But for now, Cisco's give you an option to convert your classic license into the smart license, so you can go ahead and convert it in your account. So we will see what is health monitoring, policy events, blacklist monitoring alerts, and also the audit, very important. What all the clicks you have been made, what are the changes you are making, everything will be audited over here. So if you have this syslog server, then you can go ahead and configure over here. And if you need any help, just click on this question mark sign. There is online, Cisco support and about. Go to the admin, click on user preference. You will have the settings with respect to the user. Then you can, if you would like, you can switch back to your classic team, the old team. And one more update, in 6.7 you will have the dark mode also. So this is the light mode. So in 6.7 another team has been added, that is dark mode. So I will go to my overview and I will click on dashboard. So this was the overview of the FMC. So we are good to go with the lab now.